Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Please step away from the walls and gather yourselves into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive. And we'll continue on. And let's all stay together. Please.
This morning, the spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to brightness.
regions beyond. Wizard and the For having horns that receive your sympathetic vibrations. There is